Is it time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we will delve into the SPY ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 17th of October 2024, and we are now here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You wouldn't want to miss any vital updates that could influence your investment decisions. Elevate your trading choices by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 3rd of October, 2024, our system has categorized SPY as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 4.04. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 2.56%. This translates to an average return of 0.23% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned in the upper part of a weak rising trend over the short term. This scenario typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $586.34 will initially indicate a stronger upward momentum. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 7.93% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 2.37% to 8.67%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of around 30.99% over the next 12 months, with potential returns between 22.69% and 31.81%. This translates to a price range of $714.51 to $767.59 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SPY includes the headline: SPY ETF price up 0.024% on Thursday. The SPY ETF price gained 0.024% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024. The price rose from $582.21 to $582.35. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 0.680 thousandths of a percent, with a day low of $582.16 and a day high of $586.12. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and has risen by 2.56% over the past 2 weeks. Volume also increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 5 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 34 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $19.57 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $586.12, and the lowest price was $409.21. Currently, the price is 0.64% or $3.77 below the 52-week high of $586.12, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500, represented by the SPY ETF, is currently experiencing a robust rally, recently reaching new all-time highs with a year-to-date gain of 22.61%. This momentum has many investors optimistic, with targets looking towards the 6,000 mark by the end of the year. However, underlying concerns about valuation are emerging, as traditional metrics indicate that the market may be becoming overvalued, echoing sentiments from previous bubbles. In a striking shift, some analysts are recommending a pivot from SPY to XLG, which invests in the top 50 S&P 500 companies. XLG is touted for its potential for superior returns and lower volatility, primarily due to its focus on leading firms like Apple and Microsoft, which are well-positioned in the current economic climate. This trend may influence portfolio strategies as investors look for more stable returns amidst broader market uncertainties. While the current rally presents potential short-term gains for SPY, the emerging narratives of overvaluation and the attractiveness of alternative ETFs could pressure SPY's performance in the long term. As the market evolves, investors will need to remain vigilant and adaptable, weighing the strength of SPY against newer opportunities like XLG. The following signals have been identified for SPY. The SPY ETF is showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected around 580 and 566. If the price dips below either of these levels, it will trigger sell signals. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, potentially impacting short-term developments. A sell signal was noted from a pivot top point on Monday, the 14th of October, 2024, and thus far, the price has decreased by approximately 1/3%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. In addition, there is currently a sell signal indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 4 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 29 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 43 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 28 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 51 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 225 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $543.01 and $532.90. There is an inherent risk when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, SPY finds support just below today's level at $543.01. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $532.90 and $517.38. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered quite low for this stock. Over the last day, the fund moved $3.96 between its high and low, or 0.68%. For the past week, the exchange-traded fund has experienced a daily average volatility of 0.796%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $584.32. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $543.01. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $559.79, reflecting a decrease of 3.87%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits low daily fluctuations, contributing to a lower risk profile. Additionally, a sell signal has been triggered from a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is the SPY ETF a good investment choice? Several short-term indicators, combined with a generally positive trend, suggests that the current price may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the SPY ETF to perform well in the near future. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 18th of October, we anticipate that the SPY will open higher by $1.19, starting at $583.54. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.